Moin. So this is the CK720 from CoolerMaster, and Mira always wants me to make sure that everything is in the frame when I unbox. So let me just make sure it's straight. Let me line it up with the side or the top. Yeah, that's good. Yeah. So perfect. This keyboard comes with a lot of RGB options. You can see I could watch this all day. It comes wired with a hot swap PCB with 5 pins, and if you want it wireless, you don't get hot swap, and if you want it hot swap, you don't get it wireless. It's kind of very weird. Anyway, it comes with a knob, and we like knobs. They seem to advertise that fairly heavily because it's a 3-way knob, I guess. So you can do many things with that knob, even by default. And it's a 65% layout. You can get others that are full size, but honestly, I really like the 65%, and I really like the way they have made the setup. It also does not sound terrible out of the box. It is not going to win you any tournaments or competitions, but it sounds okay. Now just watch me do this so satisfying peel off the tape. You can watch the whole thing. Now the keyboard comes with a switch puller and a keycap puller, and it seems to be ripped for your pleasure, I guess. Oh, okay, it's purple. Oh my god, it's purple. Oh, I'm so sorry for blinding you with the cable. Anyway, it doesn't quite match my nail polish, so I guess I'll have to go buy new nail polish tomorrow. So this keyboard comes with the red switches and a 5-pin hot swap PCB, and so you can put any switch in there that you want. Also, it comes with 8 green switches in case you like clicky sounds on your shift key, I guess. They said it's for the modifier keys, and so honestly, I don't know why anyone would want a clicky shift key and control key and alt key, especially heavy ones. Let me just connect that with a cable that's already connected to my... Oh no. Oh, she too thick. Oh, that sucks. So this keyboard has the amazing feature that you can take off the top plate without needing any tools at all. You just take off the little cover on the side, and then you take off the knob. We like knobs. And then you push a little button down to slide off the top plate, and I mean, it's nice. It's a good cover. Ooh, purple stabilizers though. Look at them. They're so pretty. And it looks like there's purple silicone in the bottom as well. Probably what makes it sound so good. I mean, what makes it sound so decent. The keyboard comes in space gray, which you can select by selecting the gunmetal option. I don't know why they don't keep that consistent. You can also get it in silver as the one that I got, or you can get it in very pretty but expensive. So the wireless is not hot swap, so if you want it pretty, you cannot get it hot swap, but you can get it wireless, so there's that. I don't know why the blue switches are sold out, or if they just don't offer them anymore. I'm strongly hoping for the not offer them anymore, but you can get it in with brown switches and red switches and white switches. Brown switches are tactile, red switches are linear. Really good. Overall, the keyboard is very well built, and it's under $100, which is really nice for a keyboard of this quality. And I would definitely recommend it if you can deal with a slightly loose plate. Anyway, I will leave you with a sound test of this completely stock keyboard, and just enjoy it. No.